So in the beginning you saw that I did my makeup or whatever, and if you want to know how I got my little wig on, I did a video. It might come out before this vlog, but I did it, and you might see something new on me. I got a tattoo. That's a butterfly, and on getting like another one like right above here or so, and then more like coming down or like going this way or that way. And I want to get like some other stuff right here too. Well, yeah, I think it'll look good. Okay, I have these little pearl hair clips from PacSun. Is that what it is? Yeah, PacSun. I got from PacSun. Cute. Did a little shopping spree yesterday. I went to Bath and Body Works because they had 75% off. I had to turn on some lights because this is not working. Okay, so I did a little shopping spree yesterday, and I got some stuff from Bath and Body Works because it was 75% off. I had to go get some stuff. So here's my little bag. And what I got this little lotion. It's called Tahiti Pink Lily and Bamboo, and this is like the regular lotion. It smells good. I like fruity lotion. I like to smell like fruits and sweet and all of that. And I got this pink coconut Calypso, and this is the ultra shaped body cream. And then I got this hibiscus guava fresca. This smells really good. And I got the body spray to go with that one. And then I got this lotion. It's called Mad About You. I remember almost every girl in middle school had this lotion, Mad About You. Or they had like the what was it? Japanese the Japanese cherry blossom, or the other one. It was the other one. What is it? I forgot. But I also have this pink chiffon. I remember I used to have this one. And this smells so good. And then I got the spray to go with that. And that's all I got. And I gave my mom 3 other ones. I think the other ones I gave her was the Cashmere Glow, and then it was the cucumber and melon lotion like this, and the body spray. So I gave her, I let her pick out what she wanted. I also got these shoes. I had to go back to the mall. I'll show you some of the stuff I got for Christmas. So I got this little cardigan. I got this. I love this. This feels so good. And I got this cardigan, and it looks like this. It has like pockets on it and stuff. Like right here, got like a pocket. I usually get a small in my cardigans, but it was a medium, and it fits really good. So I guess I gotta start getting mediums in my cardigans because I like the space in it. And then I got this. This is like a 2-piece. I still got the little wood thing in there, but it has pants and stuff too. And this is like a wool, not a wool. This is like a sleepwear type of thing. And then I got this little raincoat. My favorite color is blue, by the way, so you might see a lot of blue. And this little raincoat, and it looks like this. And that, got a little hood. And then I got this vest. And I got some jewelry. I got this too for Christmas. This little bracelet. Got this. All I got for Christmas. I really don't want anything because I already know that I'll get it for myself. Oh guys, at my Poshmark, I'll have it like on the screen. It will be either up here